is the place where this microphone is made. Torture test. I have reviewed many of the Hollyland products on this channel, including their wireless video transmitters and their wireless microphone. So during my visit to Hong Kong and Shenzhen earlier this year, one of the company that I visited was Hollyland. So I went to visit their headquarters in Shenzhen with my friend Peter and Julia, and Hollyland has kindly gave us a tour of their headquarters office and factory there. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the video clips that I shot during this visit.
So we're going to talk about this in a little bit because we prepared like a small presentation to talk about our company history and everything.
I know it.
Yeah. Sorry.
I'm not how can you like so you guys started 2020?
Yeah. As you can see, actually from outside, you can see two lights. So actually, we have two brands. One for domestic called MoMA,
Yeah.
and the other one is Hollyland for internet market. So basically, we are using. We actually divided two different marketing teams, like both sales and marketing. Like 营销, so they are separated. So one is for domestic market and the other one is for international market. So wireless video transmission, wireless intercoms, monitors. So this is the new one, Mars M1, but this is the one Cosmo. Yeah, Cosmo C1. But this is actually zero latency.
This is a big boy. This one.
Yeah. It's 4 transmitter to 1 receiver. So it's called System 41. It's mainly for system integrations industry. So not because this is quite bulky, right?
Yeah, it's like a lot, a lot bigger than.
Exactly. Yeah. This is Solidcom. Yeah. Solidcom C1. Yeah.
Is this the new camera,
this is the
right?
new live streaming camera.
Yeah. Yes,
so
I saw it on your social media.
Yep. US team here. US for many sales, and this is our European office team, and this one is our enterprise. So we have under our marketing, we have sales and overseas marketing, so marketing and sales. And this is for our sales management or marketing management teams, helping sales and marketing to do kind of a more like a business development stuff. So we have more like assistance, providing assistance. This is our video production team. Yeah. And here is our e-commerce back there for overseas marketing. So overseas e-commerce, like Amazon, AliExpress. Yeah. And here is for our field engineers. Cool. Team. This is kind of small, but we also have another for live streaming studio. So, but it's in another building.
Another building?
It's actually they have a setup already, but sorry, it's kind of messy.
Okay.
Hello.
So this is basically the small studio, very small. So we share it as so this is our domestic brand MoMA, and we also have another one for Hollyland. So we just shifted around because we only have this one for shooting. So every time if we have a project, actually we have to communicate in advance because we use 2 different brands, right? So we have to kind of shift around and make arrangements because it completely changed the setup, with all the branding stuff and gear placement as well, right? There's also a small room, but we don't usually use it for shooting.
You use it like for live streaming or for like some everything?
Yeah. So usually, sometimes we set like this setup for a live streaming, but sometimes we also do live streaming outdoors. Yeah. We also have for our Douyin, domestic TikTok, we have another live streaming room, not this building. Yeah. This one is actually the logo that we put for interns because we have I think 50 or 60 interns. Yeah, 70 interns.
Oh,
Yeah, so we kind of have like a group training and everything to have all the people because they come as a big team. And this is for our domestic market. So we have our marketing, domestic marketing,
Yep.
domestic e-commerce,
Okay.
and also domestic sales, channel sales. Yeah.
So
this
all
is
channels, all platforms.
yes, and we have our product team here. Back
Oh,
here.
cool.
Yeah. So not much to see. 2 years back, here is manufacturing space.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
So we only have like all the offices are back there, and all the manufacturing happen here.
No way.
Yeah, and this used to be Libya. And back here is like our storage, like inside.
yeah.
But now it just doesn't work anymore.
yes, the are those drinks, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Because we saw when we were at Real Talks, we saw all the girls. Oh, yeah, I was like, what is it? Everyone's got like a lot of ducks
Yeah.
on their monitor,
Yeah.
right?
Because every cup of lemon tea, usually lemon tea.
Yeah.
So every time you buy one, they give you a duck.
Is that one for one duck?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So not that many. I thought it's like you have to drink like 20 to get one duck. Then it's like how many dozens you drink?
Yeah, you guys can see there are many.
Remember?
There.
That's Livia?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Livia. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
totally.
Good to meet you finally. Yes. All right. Is this where you work?
Yes.
All right.
So mess.
Back here.
No. 哦，可以讲中文。我会中文，会讲，可以会讲一点呢，会讲一点啊。很开心看到你。
谢谢。
我们晚点待会在官网中付款。对，可以可以。少如，你跟我们一起去吗？
See you later. See you later.
Bye. See you.
好 ，OK。 It's actually the nightlife will be very different here.
六跟四。
四楼和
是哦。
对，是有和六的。
深圳。
So this is the factory. I think that I'm going to let Vicky to give us a tour.
This floor is mainly
Warehouse, right? Dimension warehouse.
it's big.
Yeah, the whole floor. Yeah. We're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go there.
Which way? This way?
Yeah,
All right.
go that way.
It's way bigger than your other place.
Yeah. This is a conference room.
新品 new product trial.
You can't release product room.
Hello. So this is our HR.
Hello. 那我们从这边走吧。
看吧，像啊，也放在相图上动画。
We're now at the factory of Holy Land. This is the place where this microphone is made. The company is very kind that let us come in and have a look at the factory and the office area, and also allow us to do some filming so that we can see how the products got assembled, tested, boxed, and everything here. This is a pretty big
factories with a lot of staff here assembling the different products. Actually, this floor is only for the microphone, so they have the separate floor for the video transmitter and other products.
前加工，硬体线前加工。So this is like a pre-production.
Right.
Yeah. You can see all the elements. 昨天刚好外出了。See that we actually not doing everything starting from the scratch. So you can see that these are things that we got from our manufacturers, like from suppliers.
Yep.
So we just talk to specific like suppliers. So they supply us the
Components.
the sales and everything.
Yep.
And then we put them together. So this is like a pre-production, and you can see all their sales here. This is our MoMA product. It's basically step by step. Going from here, to here, and then so basically this is like the production line. Those are the inspection rooms. So after we put everything together, every step will be inspected. Yeah. So this is basically we put together the whole product already, and then they're going to put the software inside and we'll test it out. Yeah. You can see from here they are actually using tape to put them together. So it's actually not like a completely ready. And then adding the software. So this one is almost a ready product. And then we're gonna go over there.
Do you want to pass on to the next one?
Yeah. 今天刚好要求他们有白色的，工装热压机嘛。
这应该是把
对，就是把板子跟那个壳把它夹紧、压紧的那种。
OK，
Ah, okay.
因为那边它其实用胶只是用
对
tape 粘了一下，
它就是一个
但这边
工装的夹具来辅助产品的
pretty much here they are doing a lot of testing. Actually, this one you can see they're making the Lark Max. Testing, also software. So it comes to three steps. So this one is actually first one testing whether the wires are losing. So you can hear whether it's inside. So this one for like 3.5 or USB, so the wire are good. That is good. And also this one whether it's clean, whether it's loose, and also this one for testing for the I think variation. You can see the data. It has to be like minors and pluses. Yeah, BBB. Yeah. Yeah. So you can see they have two places.
Oh.
Two things. One is for
good
the
one.
good products. The
Yeah.
other one is for the ones that are not good. Yeah. So for the other ones, they have to return it back and maybe redo it. Yeah. So there are different processes for testing. Testing.
啊，
1、2、3步不同的检查，对，所以这一步环节是检查这3步，
它是通过什么？
因为是通过设备来检测的。So it's actually not manually doing it, but using the bin. It's kind of for sensitivity. I don't know what that means, but I guess it's important.
That sounds cool.
Yeah, sounds cool. Yeah. Okay.
Right, cool.
Check your video in YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you.
Also, all videos I have been at yesterday.
Also,
Oh.
here you see all the packing.
Yes.
我们其实你看，音频其实就1、2、3、4个麦克风，对，可能有一个产品也就2、3个 SKU 吧。对。
啊，干嘛夹紧它？固定住。应该是可以的。
Like gluing and positioning, so fix the
Two plates.
glue.
但是必须要上面。
So we just put it inside. And
Oh,
it's
and then when
ready.
it come out, it's nice,
Ready.
nice and ready.
So this is actually for the overseas marketing. Yeah, this is the Holy Land.
So imagine like you're probably like doing like different runs, like today making Holy Land latex, and
Yeah.
next week making another product, right?
Even the same day.
Even the same day?
Same day. You can see that actually they were doing Lark M1.
Yeah.
Boma brand as well.
Yeah.
Over the other side. So
Yeah.
it actually depends. They just
Alright.
have different batches.
Ah.
Is it satisfying part?
Yeah, that's the satisfying part. Make it look nice.
So
Yeah.
哦，这好漂亮哦，这样子。Oh, hot here. Hot here. Oh.
啊，
这是什么鞋？
对，
鞋
哦，好
泡的泡。
好。
So it actually looks a little bit like more organized here. 这边是
它里面的就是工序都是一样的，只是做相机的还有专业级的产品，对于它的一些环境要求会比较高。所以呢，就是要求是在无尘车间里面做无尘环合，就大家里面的工作流程。
相机、图传还有通话。
啊，
其实里面的工序跟上面是一样的，测试这一块做的会比较严格一点。比如说就是它的一些温度比较高的测试，包括相机，包括
也是在里面。
产品从国内运到
Yeah, the live stream
在
came.
运输的过程当中，它的产品到底会变成什么样啊？然后来保证到客户手里面的质量是 OK 的。
That's interesting.
对。
So that's the one for more like movement simulation. So like it simulates the transportation process.
Oh,
Yeah. So that one.
oh. Torture test.
Shipping test。
Look at that transportation simulation.
这个是目前刚在验证那个680的，测试2天的现在。
2 days。
2 days. Wow.
这个是680是放在里面了吗？
一般要测几天？
一般测1个小时，
测1个小时。
对，
是放在里面吗？还是就挂在外头这
放
个？
在外面，就比如说，
就这个是吧
对，我们比如说把产品寄到国外去，也是放在货车里面，它会颠簸，会动，然后看产品的整个的使用的生命周期，
OK
到底 O 不 OK 啊？要多久才可以，就是这样震动不会影响它的一些功能啊、性能啊。
Huh? Oh.
这个会温度呢，平均是在40度左右，也就是相当于说我们相机放到大家的，就是我们在使用的一个场景温度可能会比较高，所以我们把它设置到一般，但是我们开的空调其实都在26度左右，那这里会调到40度，来看它在这种温度的一个情况下，它使用的一个生命周期可以达到多久，所以我们对产品的整个质量测试验证是严格把关的。这里可以过来看一下。
现在很热吗？
还好，今天没开。
哦今天没开
测试完了。它测试的话，验证是要8个小时，对吧？是8个小时吗？8个小时。对，就是要在这个 那个相机要在里面验证7到8个小时。
Because the
Oh.
one of the biggest selling points
已经
for
关掉了。
streaming cameras
Okay.
is that
里面不
you
热。
use it for live streaming for like a 24/7.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's why this process is very important because I think that's the biggest selling point because a lot of like mirrorless cameras when you use it for live streaming,
Yeah.
like after a few hours it gets like really hot
Mm.
and it affects the quality of the
Yeah.
of the image as well.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
video. Yeah.
这么大的图层，
啊，所以说我们刚刚看到那个
大的。
大的，
就是针对像相机这种产品来说，
应该他们在测试，就是这里面是模拟一个非常黑的一个环境，来验证我们的相机的屏幕是否有漏光啊，或者出现一些色差啊，制造成那种暗房的，就是进去其实就很黑，然后可以主要就是验证起到一个产品验证的一个作用。因为它不能把那个就是那个光透进去之后，会影响它的它在检测这个产品的一个情况，所以他们的门基本上关的比较严。
So we actually first started with the 6th floor, and then after maybe like after 1 year, we feel like okay the space is running out again, so we started building this one. So I actually witnessed
For Holy Night.
2019.
Yeah,
2019. Yeah.
Mars 300, I think.
Plus 300, yes.
Yeah.
That's the first product that, like when I first entered the company, that's the first product when I
Alright.
started to ship up.
Yeah.
And you also asked for
Yeah, I think you probably before me. Yeah, you start doing something.
maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
300.
Because I think I saw your stuff first.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, your video first. Yeah.
The Mars 300 is actually our first prosumer wireless video
Yeah.
transmitter. Yeah. Before it was like Cosmo, so like a zero latency products. Yes. No, this is
Oh, this
actually
is-
for
oh.
Solidcom.
Oh, Solidcom, the MoMA one.
Yeah. These packages for the one with the hub.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright.
The one without hub is usually the paper box, like smaller package.
Alright. Yeah, I saw like this is a huge box.
Yeah, with the hub.
This is like a heat.
Yeah.
Heavy?
Yeah. Quite heavy. That's why you see that we work with a lot because we are actually building the ecosystem for we're providing solutions. So sometimes we work together for like I think that you can ask vision. Yeah. This is Muma. And up there. Yeah. So, because Chinese letters they have meanings, characters. So this one actually means means sun. This one means day, and this one is number 1. So actually the meaning is it starts from the beginning of the day. So that's like it like the good meaning. I will put it this way. So the meaning is like from the beginning of the day. So it represents like our I think it kind of connects back to our vision as well. So we start something small, but that's something that we start with. So the brand actually was started back in 2018. So that's why nowadays when we do like brand days, It's actually not. We just celebrated our 10th anniversary for the whole company.
Yeah.
But as for the brand, like our brand day, like the one that we're doing now, is a 5th year for our brand day. Yeah.
I would like to say a big thank you to Lawrence, Vicky, and the team at Holyland for the very warm welcome and gave us a tour of your headquarters. It is great I can finally meet some of you in person. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, remember to check out the other videos that I shot during this trip as well.
就捶或者一眼，
把它给捣碎就好。
捣碎就好。